In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto caps on Google Docs. This feature is quite handy for some, but others might find it unnecessary or slightly annoying when it automatically capitalizes the first word of every sentence. Whether you're editing a formal document, a script, or anything in between, knowing how to control this setting is essential. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily manage your text appearance. First things first, head over to the Google Drive home page. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to do that to access your documents. Once you're on the Google Drive home page, there's a familiar button labeled New in the upper left corner. Give that a click, which will present a menu of options. Since we're focusing on Google Docs today, you'll want to select Google Docs from this list. Now, at this point, you have two options. Either open an existing Google Doc or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once you've got your document open, let's get into the heart of the matter. You might have noticed that every time you start a new paragraph and type the first word, Google Docs automatically capitalizes it. This is because the auto caps feature is turned on by default. To change this setting, look to the top menu bar and find the Tools option. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Preferences. This opens a box with several options that you can customize according to your preferences. Right at the top of the list, you'll see an option labeled Automatically Capitalize Words. This is what we're interested in. You'll find that this option is currently checked, indicating that it's active. To turn off auto caps, simply uncheck the box. It's that straightforward. Once you've done that, close the preferences window. Let's test to ensure your changes have taken effect. Back in your document, start typing a new sentence or a separate paragraph. You'll notice now that the auto caps feature is no longer in action. The first word of your sentence remains as you've typed it, without any capitalization imposed by Google Docs. And there you have it, no more automatic capitalization. This process can be useful for anyone who prefers manual control over text formatting or who needs to adhere to specific style guides without interference. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you're now free to customize your Google Docs typing experience exactly as you like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.